www.worldofitech.com. About Python programming. Free and open source. You can uninhibitedly use and distribute Python, in any event, for commercial use. Easy to learn. Python has a very simple and elegant syntax. It's much easier to read and write Python programs compared with different languages like C++, Java, C#. What is Python programming language? Python is an object-oriented programming language created by Guido Rossum in 1989. It is obviously intended for rapid prototyping of complex applications. It has interfaces to numerous OS system calls and libraries and is extensible to C or C++. Numerous huge companies use the Python programming language, including NASA, Google, YouTube, BitTorrent, and so on. Why learn Python? Python is not difficult to learn. Its syntax is simple and the code is very readable. Python has a lot of applications. It's used for developing web applications, data science, rapid application development, etc. Python allows you to write programs in fewer lines of code than most programming languages. The popularity of Python is growing rapidly. Presently it's perhaps the most popular programming language. How to learn Python. Python tutorial from World of iTech. We provide step-by-step Python tutorials, examples, and references. Write a lot of Python code. The only way you can learn programming is by writing a lot of code. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.